coordinated and well-fitted clothes always give you that extra boost of confidence. Fascinating, isn't it? अब लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break. See you in a bit. Welcome back. We at High Life Dubai believe beauty comes in all sizes. But if you have serious weight issues that's affecting your health and confidence, you can find a solution in Dr. Manjari Patankar's Insta Sculpt.
I'm Dr. Manjari and I'm the one who's heading this Dr. Manjari's Insta Sculpt Clinic. I am an obesity consultant and a cosmetic physician. I've been trained in Poland, London, Spain and Germany. We've just introduced this latest French technology to the people of Dubai, and we are opening today on our own first clinic in Dubai on the Sheikh Zayed Road. This is ultrasonic lipolysis, which gets rid of the unwanted fat from particular areas of the body. This is based on the technology of high-intensity focalized ultrasound. HIFU is the latest buzzword all over Europe. We have ultrasonic transducers which is kept on the skin, and it focuses about 1.5 centimeters below the skin and destroys the fat cells. Now this fat cell, the fat which comes out is picked up by lymphatics and it goes to the liver. Liver metabolizes this fat within a period of about 7 to 10 days. But the results are instant and one gets a loss of about 1 to 3 inches. Of course, it is individual, but it is an instant permanent fat loss. And the best part is there is no surgery involved, there is no pain, no cut, no injection, and there is no lifestyle alteration. We do not tell you to diet or exercise.
Insta Sculpt is an instant fat burning machine and is mastered by Dr. Manjari Patankar, a medical professional with nearly 2 decades of experience in non-surgical techniques of body sculpting. And the good news is Insta Sculpt is giving away 2 gift vouchers worth 2,000 dirhams each. Wow! Just answer this simple question. And the question is, where is Insta Sculpt Clinic located in Dubai? A. Sheikh Zayed Road, B. Dubai Marina, C. JBR. Send in your answers to win at highlifedubai.ae or go on our website, click on competition and answer the simple question. After looking so good, we had to go shopping. We women love retail therapy, don't we? So chaliye mere saath to raid some boutiques.
Hi, I'm Sabyasachi. I'm actually in Dubai right now. Normally what I do is basically a mix of nomadic influences from all over the world, and I fuse them with Indian textiles because my mission is to kind of help uplift the cause of weavers in India. And I also do a lot of traditional clothing in India, and at the same time do an European collection that I show out of London, Paris and New York. Shopping keeps the designer alive, but in most cases I think it's almost like an obsessive compulsive disorder.
Hi, I'm Ash Kumar, Guinness World Record holder for the world's fastest Mehndi artist. My record is 167 people in 1 hour. I think henna is very diverse. It's not something that's on a canvas, it's not something that's done on a card or a piece of paper and that's it, you hand it over. Henna is something that, for me, definitely puts a smile on people's faces. It's that reward that you get back, especially with natural Mehndi. My favourites I've worked with Amar Khan, Rani Mukherjee, Madonna, Julia Roberts. Some of my favourites, but I've worked with a vast amount and each experience has been different.
We had fun, isn't it? But what's life without an inspiration? So let's meet with somebody who's truly a woman of substance and grit, Kiran Bedi. Bedi is one of the most admired and widely known police officer to have ever served the Indian police force. The first woman to join the Indian Police Services, Kiran is best known for her service as Inspector General at the Tihar Jail, which is one of the world's largest prison complexes. In fact, this even led her to win the Ramon Magsaysay Award.
My work is my hobby. I don't work when I don't want to work. My work is joy. My work is very fulfilling. Whatever is fulfilling is holiday. I mean, it's like a relaxation in it. It's not stressed. Yes, I get physically exhausted and then I love my sleep. I have a regulated, disciplined way of living. I eat right. I sleep right. I work right. It's like rightful living. My family is my strongest backbone. I wish everybody in this world has a family of the kind I had. A very understanding and respectful husband. Very caring and loving parents. And very dear sisters. And a wonderful child. And now a grandchild. And a very, very mature and caring son-in-law. It's a divine family. It's a family which has really been blessed. My world is complete. And from this world, it's a purposeful and a life of giving. When the more one gives, the more nature gives you, the more there's a message of sharing and giving. So the more nature gives you, it doesn't give you all for yourself. It gives you more to give more. And the moment you start giving more and sharing more, the more you get again.
It was my pleasure and privilege to meet Kiran Bedi, and I'm sure Kiran will continue to be a role model for women for many generations to come. Another inspiring lady, Sophia Loren, once said, "Beauty is how you feel inside and it reflects in your eyes." With that, we come to the end of this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Take care and stay true to yourself. Be back next week for our men's special episode only on High Life Dubai. We shot this episode at the Empire Restaurant at the Monarch Hotel, a perfect place for you to go with your loved ones and enjoy a lovely evening. After our special dedication to women, we surely can't ignore the guys. So, next week, don't forget to watch our men's special episode.